Angelina Jolie is an internationally acclaimed American actress, filmmaker, and humanitarian. Born on June 4, 1975 in Los Angeles, California, she rose to fame in the late 1990s with her roles in films such as Gia and Girl Interrupted, for which she won an Academy Award for the Best Supporting Actresses. Jolie has since become one of the Hollywood's most recognizable and influential figures, starring blockbuster hits like Lara Croft, Tomb Raider, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and Maleficent. Her performances are often praised for their depth, intensity, and versatility. Beyond her career, Jolie is also known for her work behind the camera. She has directed and produced several films, including In the Land of Blood and Honey, an unbreakable showcasing her talent and passionate for storytelling from different perspectives. However, Julie's impact extends far beyond the entertainment industry. She is a dedicated humanitarian, using her fame and resources to advocate for various causes, including refugees' rights, women's empowerment, and conservation efforts. Jolie has served as a Goodwill Ambassador for the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees (UNHCR) since 2001 and was later appointed as a special envoy. Her philanthropic work has earned her numerous awards and honors, including the Jean Harshlet Humanitarian Award from the Academy of Motion Pictures, Arts and Sciences. Jolie continues to use her platform to raise awarenesses and support for those in need around the world, making her not only a talented artist but also a compassionate and influential advocate for positive changes.